Not having hair does not have a direct impact on our health, but loss of hair can be a cause of mental stress for many. The symptoms of hair loss include constant hair fall, creation of bald patches, a receding hairline and thinning of hair, especially in women. The most significant cause is lack of proper nutrition. Vitamin B6 and folic acid are essential for hair growth and strength. Lack of either can cause hair loss. Stress, weakness and anemia can reduce the strength of the hair and cause hair fall. An unclean scalp can also block and weaken the hair pores on the scalp. For some, hair loss could be a hereditary condition. Here are a few simple home remedies that can arrest your hair fall. Take a bowl of Indian gooseberries juice, also known as amla. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Apply this on your scalp. Leave it as it is for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. Take about 15 to 20 curry leaves. Add 1 lemon peel. Add 3 tablespoons of shikakai powder. Add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, also known as methi dana. Add 2 tablespoons of green gram, also known as moong sabut. Grind this finely. Store this mixture in a clean glass bottle and use this mixture as a substitute for your soap or shampoo. Boil a handful of crushed neem leaves in 4 cups of water. Allow it to cool and filter the liquid. Use this decoction to rinse your hair. Eat well and take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.